Hey, what's up guys? For this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you on this king size bed wedge pillow. You can see on the front there's labeled king size, it's gray. I want to show you on the top of the box, it does give you tips to say to wait 48 hours for it to fully decompress. It's fairly large to say it's fit inside the small box, so go ahead and open it up. Pull that out. So there it is. So there's the pillow. Inside the box you also have the instructions again, give you an up close look. It says 48 hours to fully expand. Now I will go ahead and carefully open this. See if I can pull it out if I need to cut it. You need to cut it, so grab some scissors and say find a spot on there. Be careful, of course, not to cut the fabric of the pillow. So carefully. Then they're really tight, so I have to be really careful not to cut the pillow. Here we go. Oh, this thing is huge. I can't believe that fit in that box. So then you have another kind of cover on it to keep the fabric clean. Get some stuff out of the way so you can see. Doesn't really fit in the full area here.